Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to change your profile picture in TikTok. Your profile picture represents your identity on the platform, and updating it can give your profile a fresh look. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom drawer of the screen. It usually looks like a silhouette of a person. Step 3. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the Edit Profile button. It's usually located below your profile picture and bio. Step 4. In the Edit Profile section, look for the Change Photo option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Choose the suitable option to change your profile picture. You can either select a photo from your gallery, take a new photo using your device's camera, or choose from TikTok's suggested profile pictures. After selecting the photo, you might need to crop it to fit the circular picture frame. Adjust the frame as needed and tap on the Save button to set it as your new profile picture. By following these steps, you can easily change your profile picture in TikTok and give your profile a personal touch. Thank you for watching, and happy profile picture updating.